If you are reading more than 200 pages during your exam just to get pass mark or sometimes fail, maybe you are doing something wrong. And in this video, I'll show you how I use AI to pass all my objective questions easily. Hi, I'm Adeno Yakob, a 400 level student at the University of Ibadan. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use AI to study and pass your objective exams without stress. Before I found out this trick, I usually struggle during the objective exams. It is very hard, I struggle to get pass mark. But once I know these tricks, once I figure out these tricks, I the worst results for my objective exams is B. That's the worst result after I figure out this. And if this sounds like you, this video is for you. The first step is to read the first chapter of the material you're studying for. Read the first chapter, but listen, you are going to read it once. But once you read it once, while you are reading it, you underline some definitions, some hard words, some words that are new to you, and some key points while you are reading, and you are going to read it once. The second step is that you are going to paste your material in any area of your choice. You can use Gemini, you can use ChatGPT, or you can use DeepSeek. But if you have the money, you can use ChatGPT. But if not, you can use either Gemini or DeepSeek. But I recommend DeepSeek for anyone that wants to use it to study for the exam. Once you do that, you have to paste this prompt that I'm going to put in the description. It is going to give you 20 questions as a request. Don't request more than 20 questions for each chapter. Don't stress yourself. That 20 questions will cover almost everything you need to cover in that chapter. The third step is that you have to solve all the questions and mark them. But when you are solving the question, you have to take note of some questions that you answer that you're not sure of the answers. So that when you are marking, you need to double check them again that okay, you are right. And also the one that you miss, you have to check it again. That's one of the most important step. This step 3 is the most important step. And step 4 is that you do it for all the chapters again. You do it for all the chapters and you are good. The last tip I have for you, if you've enjoyed this video so far, please do well to like and subscribe. Let's go to the final tip. So the final tip is, in case you have a bulky material that is very big that you can't be reading everything at once and you want to crash read, this what you need to do. Paste that material that is already in on the AI, or you can paste it on a new chart. Just ask the AI to summarize each chapter for you, not leaving out any important points. Like that, the AI will summarize for you. And if you want me to give you the prompt to that, just type prompt and I will send it to you.